I want to go ahead and do like a red smoky eye kind of little vibe with like a little halo. That is my goal today, okay guys? So let me bring you a little bit closer. Oh, that's not closer. Okay. Oh, darlings. Up close and personal. When you don't get your eyebrows done in a while, sometimes it looks rough. And one's shorter, one's longer. They are sisters, they're not twins. So let's get into this, guys. So let's just go ahead and start with the eyeshadow primer. We are gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now let's blend this out with that same brush, you guys. Okay, we are quarantined, guys, so let's talk about this quarantine shit. How do you guys feel? I am bored as fuck. No lie, like I have been bored out of my mind. And you know, you guys, I'm the type of person that never does anything. Like I do not go out of my home really. This is like my safe haven, whatever you want to call that shit. It's my safe haven, you guys. I am a homebody. I love to be home. I do take my kids out a lot though, so I will take my kids out. But otherwise, guys, I just love to be in my home. Like, and more than ever now, you guys, I am appreciating things that we were able to do before. You know, I go in with living my best, which is this one right here. Ooh, pigmented AF. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade and pack this onto the outer corner. We are going in for that halo eye today, okay guys? So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna pack this shade on the outer corner first. Oh, it's so pigmented and beautiful. Anyway guys, so how was the quarantine live? Are you guys going crazy too? Let me know down in the comments below, because you guys, I'm going a little cuckoo, no lie. I am going a little cuckoo. I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm putting this into my inner corner right here, you guys. I'm just gonna blend it in. Oh yes. You know, and children are children. They're not supposed to be quarantined in a home, you know, like they're supposed to be out playing, you know, and we took them outside in our like apartment lot, whatever you want to call it. And to be honest, you guys, it's just, you know, they're like, they want to go out. They want to just do shit, you know, like what child wants to be home all day 24/7? And then to top it off, you know, like my kid's school is already out, like, you know, everybody's school, you know, and it's not just my kid that's going through this, you know, so that's why it's like crazy. We are all going through this shit, and it's like, it's so crazy. Like, I still kind of don't believe that we're going through this quarantine shit. You guys see this like halo thing? Oh, yes. For the star of the show, guys, we are gonna go in with like a glitter. I'm gonna take this NYX glitter glue and really only pop this onto the center of the lid. Let's just have some fun. We're already quarantined, you know, so let's go ahead and try to use this pigment, you guys. This one I found at like my local beauty supply kind of store, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this. It's like chunky glitter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on to the lid, and ooh, bitch. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Let me go ahead and try to use my finger, you guys. So this is like a confetti kind of, I don't know what you want to call this. Glitter or whatever. I do not know what you call this, honestly. Oh yes. So I went ahead and packed that on, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit more with the brush and just really try to feather this outwards. Let's just have some fun with, oh, that is pretty. Now let's go in with our lash. This is gonna make totally such a difference. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line, and I'll be right back. Sickening, like it's crazy how pretty this is. While I have that under eye bakage, you guys, I'm gonna go in with the shade Living My Best, you guys. I'm gonna take this red shade and really tight line the hell out of my eyes. And let me see if I have, oh, this brush right here actually first. So I'm gonna go ahead with like a flat little brush like this. And I'm gonna just stamp it on. So then now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna use for waterline color, I'm gonna use my Morphe lip liner in the shade Scarlet. And I'm gonna use that for my waterline color. Oh yeah. So what I did was I went in with a lip liner and just naturally filled them in a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a KKW in Nude 3. I'm gonna use, be quiet. So I went in with the nude shade 3. I really like this color. It's really pretty. Wow, just like that. Then I'm gonna go in with shade number 2, which is the lighter one, and put that in the center. Just like that. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this one from Lancome in the shade 02 Luminous. I'm gonna take like literally a little bit and really just go ahead and hit my cheekbones. I don't want something too overpowering, you know, to be honest. Like I just want something and something. Time to set these brows in place. That is it for today's video. I went ahead and put on this nude little lip with gloss. Eyeshadows are done. We went in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe, you guys. It looks beautiful. I just wanted to talk, chit chat. Hope you guys are all doing good with this quarantine. So I hope you guys like this eyeshadow look. If you guys are tuned in for the foundation review, you guys, which is my other video, you guys, wait, do not forget to subscribe before you go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, whatever, comment down below. It was pretty simple. It maybe took me about like 10 or 11 minutes to do this eye look, no lie. It looks like I did like super duper detail, but I really didn't. Just the center is what really was the detail, but that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next one, and please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And come on, binge watch my videos. What you doing?